Chester, you're obviously a very smart man. I look around me at this beautiful room, in this beautiful house, at your lovely wife, and I say to myself, I'm speaking with a man of intelligence.
Thank you. What'd you say your name was again?
Ted. Ted Savings. And the reason for your success, Chester, you've earned it. You've worked hard your entire life. You've made smart, sound investments. How do I know this? I know people. I know them instinctually. I'm good at it. And if you don't mind me saying so, sir, you remind me of my father. You're someone I can look up to. Bernice, did you really make these cookies yourself?
I sure did.
Would you mind giving me the recipe for them for my wife? I mean, they're out of this world.
Sure, I'll be glad to.
Now, as you kids are moving into your golden years, there's the reality, but comfort in knowing that things are going to be taken care of when that time comes.
But as I told you, Ted, we've taken care of everything already.
Chester, if you don't mind me saying, I think you deserve more than a Class B burial arrangement. I mean, matching headstones, adjoining plots, it's all very nice, but standard. Now, I know the company you're doing business with. They're good, honest people. It's just that, quite frankly, I think you folks deserve a whole lot more. Now, I want you both to take a look at these photos. These are some of our best headstones, some of our prime models. But what I really want you kids to see are mausoleums.
They're nice, but we can't afford them.
Chester, what did I say before? I'm here to help you. I want to help you. I like you. Please, let me help you. I want to.
We've already paid for ours.
Chester, don't worry. Now, I just happen to have a contract with me, and what I really like about it is it's simple.
Oh, it's Tony.
Tony?
He's my son.
Really?
Hey, Ma. Hey, Pop.
Hi, son.
Tony, it's so nice to see you.
Well, I was in the neighborhood. I figured I'd stop by.
This nice man here is,
Ted. Ted Savings. Hi.
Who?
Ted.
Do I know you?
I don't believe so, no. I'm a friend of...
He's just shown us some fantastic deals on...
Excuse me, Bernice, where did you say the restroom was?
I didn't say, but it's just down the hall.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
What did you say your name was again?
Ted. You must be Tony. You've got some wonderful folks here.
Hey, Pop, what's going on here?
Yeah, who is it?
Betty, Jack. Laura.
Come on in.
Hi.
Hi. You look great.
Thank you.
I gotta go, Jack.
Yeah.
It's a gray Chevy. It's in the alley.
Man, thanks a lot, Benny. I mean, for everything.
Sure,
son.
Jack.
I'll see you around.
I don't think so, Jack. Thanks.
I'll see you around. What do you think, you're gonna put the flame in me?
No.
You really look nice.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything?
Okay.
Soda?
Okay. So, this is where you've been staying, huh?
Yeah, what a dump, huh? But it ain't permanent.
Are you okay, Jack?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Because, you know, the papers and TV, everybody's saying something different.
Hey, Laura, don't believe them. They'll say anything to make money, and most of it's crap, right?
They said you were shot.
No, not really. I mean, I got a nick in the side, but it's nothing.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, only when I laugh. What a smile.
You know, I never thought I was going to see you again.
Yeah, me neither.
I wasn't even sure if I should come. I mean, I don't know how I fit into all this. And, you know, Benny says you shouldn't even be here. He says you got to get out of here. He says you got to get out tonight.
I wasn't gonna go anywhere until I saw you first. That's that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Kind of scared, Jack.
Hey, Laura. Everything's gonna be okay. I'll just leave in the morning.
You know they're gonna catch him.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe? Come on, everybody's looking for him.
Definitely. Wouldn't mind finding him myself.
Yeah? Why is that?
Why is that?
Yeah.
Why do you think is that?
What? What, do you think he's gonna give you some of that money or something? Is that what you think?
I don't know, maybe.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, I'm kidding you. I'm kidding you about $500,000, all right?
What are you doing?
I gotta go.
What do you mean you gotta go?
I gotta go. I gotta go and talk to my brother.
What, you just got here.
Well, I'll come back later.
When later?
Later.
What, you think you could just come in here whenever you feel like it?
I said I'd come back, all right, Sally?
No, you ain't coming back here later.
Why not?
Because I shouldn't have let you in here in the first place.
Oh, come on, will you, Sally? Come on.
No. What do you think? You could just come here and fuck me and just leave?
Yeah.
Bastard.
Hey, come on.
Get out!
What?
Get out!
All right, I'll get out.
And don't come back! And don't ask me!
Well, then shut up.
No, you shut up!
No, you shut up, all right?
Shut up.
No, you shut up.
Get out!
All right, I'll get out, all right?
All right, now what street do we turn up on?
It's coming up. It's right around here, man.
Which way, left or right?
Take it right.
Which way, Ted?
No, take a left, take a left right here.
You sure?
Yeah. This is it.
Look, there he is.
Sally, open the door! Freeze! Fuck you! Oh, shit.
He's on the northeast corner of this block. Go down, meet me in the front. I'll get him on the roof.
All right.
You're under arrest.
Fuck you! What the fuck do you want from me, huh?
Questioning.
Bullshit. I bet you ain't even a cop. Stay down. I don't want to hit you again. I told you to stay down. Now what the fuck do you want from me? Leave me the fuck alone.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you.
Oh, shit, you are a cop.
You have the right to an
Will
attorney.
you shut the fuck up?
Freeze! Don't move! Roy? Oh, shit.